Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are making papda fish curry. So for the papda fish curry I have taken 400 grams of papda fish evenly cut. The papda fish tends to splutter a lot when you fry, so for that reason I will add some mustard oil in the marinade. But still you need to cover it and cook because it splutters a lot, so just be careful. Then I'll add some salt and turmeric powder and massage it. This recipe is really delicious. If you try, do let me know in the comments below. For the gravy I have taken 3 onions, medium size, and tomatoes, which I have chopped up and added it to the blender with some ginger. So our paste is ready. So we Assamese people and Bengali people add potatoes to our curry, so I will fry the potatoes first. So I've taken a pan, added some mustard oil, let the mustard oil come to the smoking point. So it's ready now. Now we'll add the potatoes. I have cut the potatoes into wedges. You can feel free and do any shape you like. Meanwhile, we are also frying the fish on the other stove and into the oil. So the potatoes are ready, and then I have taken them out, and into the oil I have added some jeera and nigella seeds, which is kalonji, and some mustard seeds. And then after they splutter, I have added the paste we have prepared, tomato, onion and ginger. Meanwhile, I'm frying the fish. I like my fish crispy, but you can fry however you like it. The masala needs to be cooked for 15 to 18 minutes and we need to reduce the masala a bit. I'm adding salt, and then I'll add some chili, green chili. We'll mix it around a little bit. So our masala has reduced its volume, and then we'll add some more salt according to the taste. You can also add the salt at once also, and some Kashmiri red chili powder for color, some jeera powder, some turmeric for color, and we'll mix it. So masala is now almost ready, and that is why I've added some water. When the masala and the oil separates, you get to know that your masala is almost cooked, and then you need to add the water. Hey guys, I also want some recommendations from you. You can leave it in the comments below of which dishes you want me to put up, and